Hello world, PDR coming at you here. I don't know if I'm gonna get this thing really hot because of the sticker. We got a 2500 HD Chevy Silverado pickup with about a 4-inch body line dent that goes right through here. It was made by the butt of a horse. And what we're gonna do is get it slightly warm on this brow area. I don't want to get it too hot because of this sticker down here. We don't want the sticker getting hot. You see I'm basically holding it with my hand. And then getting this brow up a little bit. We've got the tail light taken apart. And a little bit of heat there. So let's just see if I can get in there with the rubber tip and find my area here. And kind of come through and give this thing some real nice pushes through it. I haven't tapped any of the brow down. I was hoping that getting behind this and making some pushes would actually be just what I needed to do instead of having to break that brow all the way down. But we're just going to do this dent and get as much as we can of it on camera here for you. At this point I'll say I sure do appreciate everybody clicking on this video. I really do. If you would hit that subscribe button, that would be great. We sure appreciate it. We love seeing the community grow. I'm trying to hold my tool in the same spot so I can move the board. Want to get the board a little bit lower. Maybe that angle. Yeah. And I think I will need to actually beat on this brow a little bit, guys. And I'm probably going to want to use the Shane Jack's jackhammer right here. Right where this brow crests. I'm going to give it some taps. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. We got the microphone on and we are out in nature. And it's right about there is where it creases the most. There, as the sound starts to change, I know I can get back in here, get right behind it, and make some action happen here. I might be taking your visual because I'm trying to jump in here and see right where I'm at. We're doing this one kind of quick. It's a real nice day. It's nice and warm. We didn't have to get too much heat on it, but it is silver, so we want to take our time and be a little bit careful. But like I say, this one, I didn't think it was actually going to pop out. Most dents don't, but I thought that once we got this line out, the rest of the dent would have a little bit more give to it, so it would be a little bit more easy to manipulate, which it has been. But we're still probably going to have to take a little bit of this brow down. Dirty. A little bit of that brow down, and then a little bit more of this lower dent down here. I don't know if we're going to do it all on camera or if we clip. So let's just try to finish this off. Let's see how much we can get done on camera. And I will say, guys, when I'm done on the video, if the dents aren't, you know, like the way I want them or just 100% perfect, there's a lot of times that I spend time off camera just giving it that last little bit of attention that it might need. And if you say, well, why don't you just come back and film it at the end? Well, it's a timing issue. Sometimes it's a battery issue. And as far as it is right now, it's both. We just want to get this video finished so that we can start uploading for you guys. And keep an eye out for the other Chevy Denali, GMC Denali that we just did earlier. with a large body line dent on it. This one was also a large body line dent caused from a horse's butt, and it's looking pretty straight. The one forgiving factor is that it is silver, so it's tough to see. But now all I got to do is grab my hammy and tappy and follow this little ridge right here. Kind of break this ridge down a little bit. And then we will basically, I mean, we're almost done anyway on this one. It's starting to look real nice. Let's see how it ended up. Those lines are following straight, and they just wave a little tiny bit right here. So yeah, guys, I sure appreciate y'all clicking on this video once again. If you would, hit that like button on the way out. Obviously, I got to put the tailgate back together, or put the taillight back together, and I might even tap on that brow a little bit, but I think she came out pretty darn nice. Might even buff out this little scuff for him if I'm feeling nice. So, I'll just say the thing then. This has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.